The first question, sir, and I think this question is a very, a question that I keep on hearing from students, that how do I choose a career in finance? What are these three questions that I ask myself? So I am a final year. So for example, I am in a 12th standard and going into the BCom, for me to go into BCom, or I am in final year of BCom, or MBA, or I'm entering MBA and I want to choose a career in finance. So, sir, these different scenarios. I can be an engineer, but would like to want to get into the world of finance. So, what are the three questions that one should ask?
Your question one itself has three questions. Nice. Yeah. So I would like to keep it very simple. In fact, I just like, I want to go 30 years back or even before that and just want to think, what questions I had in my mind and what made me to choose a career in finance. Of course, in this last 3 decades, so many changes have happened, obviously. And still, why am I in finance? When I think on this, the first question that anyone can ask is, do I love numbers? Can I read numbers? See, numbers is also like a language. Like how you read English or how you read Sanskrit or how you read Latin or Russian, whatever it is. Can I read numbers? When I read numbers, can I make some sense out of it? Do I love it? Or I'm afraid of looking at numbers? Do I feel overwhelmed? If I don't like numbers, if I don't love numbers, what am I going to do in finance? Very simple. So that's question number one. Do I really love? Can I read numbers? Can I make some sense out of it? Can I understand something out of it? Or will I be interested to learn how to read? Basically, do I love? That's question number one. Yes, second question to ask is, once I read numbers, once I make some understanding, how good I am in communicating that to various interested parties. See, reading the numbers and understanding and making some sense out of it and keeping it with me is not going to help anyone, including me. Right? So obviously, how good I am in communicating. When I say communicating the message from numbers itself is a different art. And you are going to communicate it to someone who has not got that skill to read the numbers. So again, you should not make it very technical. How simple can you make it? Do you love it? Do you think you can do it? Can I make some complex things very simple and give it to somebody who can understand? Do I have that willingness to do? Do I have that, that interest, that love to do? That is second question. The third question I would like to ask, can I, in general, understand business as well? A very simple question. If you look at a tea stall, or you look at a simple, what to say, a hardware shop, or you see a hotel, a restaurant, can I make some sense out of that business? Can I just try to visualize how that business earns money, how that business spends money, what type of profit they may get, what type of assets they should have, and how their income can grow over a period of time? Again, I'm not talking about numbers, I'm talking about visualizing the business, because finance comes from that. Finance is not something very independent or something coming from space. Can I read businesses? Can I understand businesses? When I say business, immediately don't talk about General Electric or Google and Microsoft. Can you understand a simple a shop in your street corner? Can you try to visualize how they make money? Yeah, if I want to put in big jargons, I can say, can you understand the revenue model, cost model, and all those things? Forget all those terms. Can I just understand how a business runs? If I can, I can convert that into a career very, very, very easily. So these are three simple questions, I believe. You can ask yourselves and you can decide, yes, irrespective of your background, irrespective of your background. In
Sure.
fact, so many have made great careers in finance, of course, not from BCom background alone, from so many variety of backgrounds.
Sure.
Yeah.
I think, I think very well rounded and 360-degree answer, sir. And for all our viewers now and those who will view this video later on, just to paraphrase what you said, fascinating 3 points. Number one, loving the numbers, ask yourself. Number two, ask yourself whether you do storytelling, whether you love doing storytelling. That's what sir mentioned in terms of communication. And number three, do you have that mindset to understand business? Whether that business is a tea stall business or a business of Google, do you have that mindset to understand business? And all three, sir, said, don't make it complex, make it easy. If that gives you the answer, I think you can build your career in the world of finance.